Before you buy a TV in 2025, stop and take a breath. Because the television market this year is more confusing, more misleading, and more overloaded with marketing traps than ever before. What looks like a great deal on the shelf may be hiding problems beneath the surface. What seems like cutting-edge innovation may actually be a cost-cutting compromise, and what appears to be a trusted brand name may no longer be built by the company you think it is. The reality is based on industry data, long-term reliability surveys, consumer reports, and market behavior that exposes what manufacturers don't tell you. In 2025, those hidden details matter more than ever because this year is shaping up to be the most chaotic TV cycle in nearly a decade. Panel overproduction, shifts in display suppliers, aggressive cost-cutting, AI marketing hype, and inconsistent build quality are creating landmines across the entire TV aisle. What you choose to buy and what you choose to avoid will determine whether your investment lasts 2 years or 10. To make sense of this market, it's important to understand the forces shaping it and which brands are genuinely building quality products versus those cutting corners when you're not looking. 2025 is a dangerous year for buying TVs because the industry is experiencing instability. Market analysts report that early 2025 TV shipments surged as brands attempted to flood the market and push inventory, but full-year forecasts dropped as demand cooled. When manufacturers panic, they cut costs, and those cuts aren't visible on the box. Long-term reliability scores reveal a clear pattern. Some brands, especially budget ones or licensed legacy names, have failure rates significantly above average. These issues often include backlight burnouts, panel uniformity problems, software slowdowns, or power supply failures. Many of these don't show up until weeks after you've already mounted the TV on your wall. Shoppers often fall for brightness, size, and price, but the internal components, long-term support, and quality control determine whether the TV actually survives more than a few years. Brands that buyers should be careful with in 2025 go beyond bargain bin sets. Some once trusted names have quietly shifted manufacturing to lower-tier factories, resulting in inconsistent, unreliable products. Store brand and white label TVs sold under names like on RCA, Westinghouse, and certain regional JVC models remain the riskiest. These products often use the cheapest components available, including weak backlights, underpowered processors, and generic smart platforms. Repair technicians regularly note that these panels fail sooner and have little to no parts availability. Then there are the licensed legacy names. These are familiar logos attached to televisions no longer made by the original company. The recognizable branding leads consumers to assume quality, but behind the Q scenes, panel sources may vary widely and support is minimal. 2025 has also brought a wave of AI-enhanced budget TVs. Many of these models advertise AI upscaling, AI picture enhancement, or AI motion smoothing. In most cases, the hardware inside these TVs isn't capable of true AI processing. Instead, you get overly sharpened or artificially boosted images that look impressive under store lighting but fall apart during real use. Several mid-tier brands also create confusion. Their high-end offerings may be excellent, but the lower-tier models cut corners in panel tech, dimming zones, and processing power. These sets often look fantastic in a showroom because of exaggerated color saturation and boosted brightness, but everyday performance exposes blooming issues, weak black levels, and inconsistent dimming behavior. On the positive side, some brands still prioritize component quality and long-term performance. Sony remains one of the strongest performers thanks to its world-class processing. Motion handling, color accuracy, and tone mapping consistently outperform competitors. Long-term failure rates are among the lowest, and Sony invests heavily in stable power supplies and dependable internal hardware. LG leads the OLED market. Their latest OLED panels deliver exceptional contrast and pixel-level precision. Flagship models include advanced heat management systems that reduce burn-in risks and extend lifespan. While OLED cannot match the extreme brightness of high-end mini LEDs, the cinematic quality remains unmatched for darkroom viewing. Panasonic's return to high-end televisions in 2025 has been a standout moment. Their multi-layer OLED panels deliver stunning brightness and color stability. Known for professional-grade accuracy in film production environments, Panasonic continues to build displays that prioritize precision and durability. Samsung earns high marks for its premium mini-LED models. These TVs offer intense brightness, strong local dimming, and a proven track record for reliability. As with many brands, the key is to stick with the higher-end lines. The lower tiers sometimes cut corners, but their flagships remain world-class. TCL has evolved into a major value competitor. While long-term reliability does not quite match the premium brands, TCL's top-tier mini-LED models offer incredible brightness, contrast, and gaming features for the price. As long as buyers stick to the flagship lines, the risk is significantly minimized. There are several hidden risks buyers should keep in mind. The first is data tracking. Many smart TVs use automatic content recognition to log viewing habits across apps and inputs. This information is sold to advertisers. Buyers should pay close attention to the privacy settings during setup. The second risk comes from supply chain instability. Because panel manufacturers overproduced earlier in the cycle, brands are switching suppliers based on availability. Two units with the same model number may contain different panels. Premium brands tend to manage this better, while budget and mid-tier brands frequently swap components without updating product documentation. The third risk involves repairability. Many budget brands discontinue parts quickly, making repairs impossible even a few years after purchase. Premium brands such as Sony, LG, and Panasonic maintain more consistent parts availability and long-term support. The overall message for 2025 is straightforward. The safest purchases come from brands with consistent manufacturing practices, strong processing systems, durable components, and reliable long-term support. These include Sony, LG, Panasonic, and TCL's flagship lines for those seeking value with high performance. Avoid televisions that rely on heavy marketing, overly aggressive pricing, or nostalgic branding with no real engineering behind it. Be skeptical of models that promise AI-powered enhancements without hardware capable of delivering meaningful improvements. A smart purchase in 2025 isn't the TV that dazzles under bright store lights. It's the one that performs consistently at home, maintains picture quality for years, respects your privacy, and continues to function smoothly long after trends have shifted. Take your time, compare carefully, and don't let the 2025 TV market trick you. So, hit like, tap subscribe NextGen Picks, and join thousands of smart shoppers who already know smart spending starts with asking smarter questions.